Let's take a look inside the pump to make sure we maintain it properly.
If you choose to use the foam filter, please keep it clean.
The impeller cover is removed by turning it counterclockwise. You'll need a tool to gently pry the impeller off of the shaft. The impeller and magnet are the heart of your pump and need to be kept clean and free from any limescale or hard water deposits.
Use care when reassembling to make sure all parts fit properly in place.
This assembly features our diverter valve, which will allow two water features to be powered from a single pump.
You can now add the riser tube, which has a telescoping function to allow you to adjust for the height of your pond. The tiered nozzle is the most popular style, however it requires a larger surface area to make sure your spray remains in the pond. The bell and trumpet nozzles use the same housing and are fully adjustable. Simply swap out the inner portion to change the functionality. If you're not using the diverter, you'll use the coupler before adding your telescoping riser, and the balance of the assembly remains the same as the previous one shown.